Nowadays, there are several advanced laser surgeries available to get rid of glasses. Every patient wishes for a technology that offers maximum safety, tissue preservation, minimum discomfort after surgery, and the fastest recovery. Two popular procedures that are being highlighted these days are Clear Neo and Wavelight Plus Innovyze. Both are advanced and modern approaches, but there are noticeable differences in their working methods and long-term outcomes. First, let's briefly understand both these procedures. Clear Neo is a next-generation flapless and bladeless laser vision correction surgery. In this procedure, a nano-precision laser creates a dish-shaped tissue or lenticule inside the cornea, which is then removed. As soon as the lenticule is taken out, the cornea shape gets corrected and the patient's eye number is fixed. The biggest advantage is that no flap is created in this process, and it is an upgraded version of the globally tried and tested Clear technology. Wavelight Plus Innovyze is an advanced LASIK upgrade that is basically based on Contour Vision. It uses EX500 excimer laser system with a software upgrade that allows more customized treatment. In this procedure, detailed mapping of the eye is done first, followed by the creation of corneal flap. Then under this flap, excimer laser reshapes the cornea. The results are quite fast and vision improves within 1 to 2 days. Now let's understand the differences between the two in detail. The first difference is the procedure approach. In Wavelight Innovyze, the flap is created which can lead to complications during or after surgery. The flap becomes a permanent weak spot in the cornea. If the patient rubs their eyes accidentally or gets an injury with strong pressure, flap can get displaced. Rarely, flap wrinkles may also develop which may blur the vision. During healing, epithelium ingrowth can also occur at the flap edge, which distorts vision and may require retreatment. Clear Neo is completely different because no flap is created. This means flap-related risks are zero and the cornea maintains its natural strength. The second difference is in energy use. Wavelight Innovyze is excimer-based, which uses comparatively high energy. This can put more pressure on the corneal tissue. Clear Neo is a low-energy nano-laser platform that operates at just 2 to 4 nanojoules, whereas older methods like Smile or Silk used up to 50 nanojoules. This means Clear Neo uses 10 times less energy, almost eliminating swelling, pain, and healing problems. The third difference is healing and comfort. In Innovyze, because of the flap cut, dryness is a common problem, and side effects like glare and halos can last up to weeks. In Clear Neo, since no flap is created and no corneal nerves are cut, dryness remains minimal. The patient experiences lesser irritation after surgery and can resume normal activities the very next day. The fourth difference is in the precision and accuracy. Innovyze offers 2D tracking which only monitors vertical and horizontal eye movement. However, if the eye rotates during the surgery, cylindrical power correction may not be accurate. Clear Neo has dynamic cyclotorsion compensation, which measures eye rotation and adjusts the laser accordingly. It also delivers customized energy distribution to the center and periphery, resulting in sharper visual clarity. The fifth difference is for those with an active lifestyle like sports, gymming, swimming, or Army Defense Services. For them, Clear Neo is the best option because no cut or flap is created. Since there is no flap at all, the risk of flap displacement due to future accidental injury or eye rubbing becomes zero. The next point is about structural strength and ectasia risk. In flap-based surgeries like LASIK, corneal biomechanics become weaker. When the flap is lifted and the stromal tissue is removed, the cornea can become structurally thinner and weaker. This is why in rare cases, LASIK patients develop corneal ectasia, a progressive condition where cornea begins to bulge and even glasses or contact lenses cannot correct vision anymore. In Clear Neo, since no flap is created and the lenticule removal is extremely precise and minimum, the risk of corneal ectasia is dramatically reduced. At the end of the day, both are advanced laser vision correction technologies and both aim to give patient a specs-free life. Innovyze is an excimer-based flap LASIK upgrade that delivers fast result but carries inherent risk like flap-related complication, dryness, and corneal weakening. Clear Neo, on the other hand, is a next-generation flapless, bladeless lenticle extraction that uses low-energy nanolaser, dynamic cyclotorsion tracking, nanospot size, and integrated OCT imaging to provide maximum precision and safety. It keeps the cornea structurally strong, ensure faster recovery, minimal dryness, and long-term stable results. If you also want to undergo a specs removal surgery, call our helpline number today and book your free consultation. If you have any queries related to eye disease or surgery, feel free to ask us in comments.